Welcome back, house hunters. If you've ever dreamed about owning a home in Portugal but assumed it would be too expensive, you might be surprised by what's still out there. In today's video, we're exploring 10 affordable properties across Portugal, from charming village houses and countryside retreats to character homes with land and renovation potential. Many of the properties are move-in ready, while a few offer the chance to add your own personal touch and create the perfect Portuguese escape. Even better, most of them are priced under 100,000 euros, proving that buying property in Portugal doesn't have to break the bank. We'll be traveling across different regions of the country, from the peaceful countryside of Alentejo to historic villages and scenic rural communities, so you can get a feel for the lifestyle, the landscapes, and the incredible value that's still available in Portugal's property market. So if you've been dreaming of moving to Portugal, retiring abroad, or finding a low-cost European getaway, you're definitely going to want to see these homes. So let's get started. Next up, we have a detached countryside property in the parish of Almodôvar e Graça dos Padros, located in Portugal's peaceful Alentejo region, and it's priced at just 66,000 euros. The home offers 24 square meters of built space and has one bedroom and one bathroom. Inside, the property features a small kitchen area with a traditional Alentejo fireplace, giving the space a rustic charm that reflects the character of homes in this region. The property is listed as second-hand but in good condition, meaning it could be used right away while still offering room for personal improvements over time. What really adds value here is the generous 1,250 square meter plot of land surrounding the house. The land is fully enclosed and includes olive trees, fruit trees, and a water hole, creating excellent potential for a vegetable garden, orchard, or a relaxing outdoor leisure area. Another important advantage is that the property sits within the urban perimeter, which means it may offer future construction or expansion potential, making it an interesting option not only for lifestyle buyers, but also for those considering a longer-term investment. Next up, we have a charming countryside home located in Monte da Sete within the parish of Santa Barbara de Padroes in the municipality of Castro Verde, which is also in Portugal's peaceful Alentejo region. This property is listed at 80,000 euros, offering an affordable opportunity to own a small retreat in southern Portugal. The detached house offers 36 square meters of built space and is configured as a T1 layout with one bedroom and one bathroom. Inside, the home includes a living room with a wood-burning stove, creating a cozy atmosphere during the cooler months, along with a kitchen featuring a traditional Alentejo fireplace, which adds plenty of rustic character typical of homes in this region. Adjacent to the house is a patio area of around 207 square meters, bringing the total land plot to approximately 224 square meters. The outdoor space already includes olive and orange trees, along with a barbecue area, making it a pleasant setting for outdoor dining, gardening, or simply enjoying the quiet countryside surroundings. Next, we are nearby in the heart of Entradas, also in Portugal's sunny Alentejo region. This detached house is listed at 125,000 euros and offers a perfect mix of traditional Alentejo character with modern comfort. The home features 59 meters squared of built space in a T1 layout, including a main bedroom, a versatile second room ideal for a guest bedroom or home office, and a practical bathroom. The open-plan kitchen makes the space feel bright and welcoming, combining functionality with a cozy atmosphere. The property is fully furnished and equipped, meaning it's ready to move in or rent out immediately. Outside, there's a 94 meters squared courtyard, perfect for summer evenings, family gatherings, or simply enjoying the Alentejo sun. A versatile additional room connects the indoors with the courtyard, offering extra space for leisure, dining, or socializing. This home is prepared for local accommodation, making it an attractive investment opportunity with strong rental potential, as well as a tranquil retreat for those seeking a slower pace of life in Portugal. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get notified about upcoming videos. Our next property takes us to the heart of Beja, a historic city also in the Alentejo region. This ground floor one-bedroom flat is listed at 105,000 euros and offers a cozy 42 meters squared of built space, ideal for a couple, single buyer, or as an investment opportunity. Inside, the flat features a bright living room, a functional kitchen with pantry, one comfortable bedroom, and a bathroom, all in good condition and ready to move in. Eastern exposure fills the rooms with natural light, creating a welcoming and airy atmosphere. What makes this property particularly appealing is its location. Situated in a quiet, picturesque area of Beja's historic center, you're just steps from local shops, schools, cafes, and cultural venues. Beja offers a rich cultural and historical identity along with modern amenities, green spaces, and a strong sense of community, perfect for everyday living or rental opportunities. At €105,000, this flat represents a rare opportunity to own a slice of Alentejo history in a charming city with excellent quality of life and investment potential, perfect for first-time buyers, retirees, or those seeking a quiet city base in southern Portugal. Now we're in Ferreira de Alentejo, a charming town in the heart of Alentejo, known for its relaxed pace of life, local markets, and friendly community. This terrace house is listed at €85,000 and offers a compact but well-organized 40 meters squared of living space, making it ideal as a starter home, holiday retreat, or rental property. Inside, the house features 2 bedrooms, a hallway, a kitchen, and 2 bathrooms, all in good condition and ready to move into. The layout maximizes functionality, while the upstairs balcony and small backyard of 5 meters squared provide outdoor space for relaxation or small-scale gardening. Built in 2008, the home benefits from modern construction standards, giving you peace of mind and low maintenance. Its location is particularly convenient, situated near the local primary school and court, as well as shops, cafes, and everyday amenities within walking distance. At €85,000, this terraced house represents an affordable entry point into Alentejo real estate, combining practicality, central location, and the charm of small-town Portuguese life. Next, we're heading to Freanda, a tranquil village in the Urem municipality of central Portugal. This detached 2-bedroom house is listed at €119,000 and sits on a generous 3,300 meters squared plot, offering privacy, nature, and excellent sun exposure. The home provides 130 meters squared of living space and includes a living room, 2 bedrooms, one with ensuite, a kitchen, 2 bathrooms, a sunroom, and a storage room. An adjacent large storage area could be converted into additional living space, and there's a garage on the property. Modern touches include aluminum windows and central heating with diesel, combining comfort with traditional charm. Outside, the expansive land features a well with abundant water, plenty of space for a garden, leisure areas, or small-scale farming, all within a serene rural setting while remaining just 3 minutes from the village center with shops, schools, and services. This location is also ideal for nature lovers and explorers. This property offers a rare combination of space, versatility, and connectivity, perfect for a family home, holiday retreat, or investment property in central Portugal. With its mix of nature, comfort, and local amenities, it's a true countryside gem. Next up, we're exploring Casal de São José, a charming village in the Arganil municipality of central Portugal. This T4 terraced house is listed at €89,000 and offers 216 meters squared of built space on a 118 meters squared plot, combining traditional Portuguese architecture with versatile living options. This house is architecturally striking with abundant windows and natural light throughout, providing uninterrupted views of forests and greenery. Its layout includes 3 independent entrances, making it ideal for a large family or a potential conversion into 3 separate apartments with flexible garage space. Inside, the home includes a ground floor, which has a cellar with direct street access, storage rooms, and staircases to upper levels. On the first floor, there's a living dining room with a balcony, an office, a renovated bedroom, spacious kitchen with chimney for traditional sausage drying, and a terrace overlooking the village. Then the attic has 2 bedrooms, a pantry, and additional storage space, with traditional tiles visible, adding character and potential. Outside, the property features a patio with a wood oven and stone bench, ideal for entertaining, traditional cooking, or creating a relaxation area. The parking space is included, making it practical for modern living as well. This property offers traditional charm, flexible living spaces, and investment potential, whether as a family home, multi apartment rental, or a holiday retreat in the heart of central Portugal. Next, we're visiting a charming village near Sia in central Portugal, where we find a fully renovated detached house offering 94 meters squared of built space on a 78 meters squared plot, all for just 83,000 euros. This home actually consists of two cozy residences in one, a two-bedroom and a one-bedroom, providing excellent flexibility for family living or rental income. Both houses are fully furnished and equipped, ready to move in immediately or start generating returns. Outside, there's a private patio with a shed, a barbecue, and a wood-fired oven, perfect for outdoor dining, relaxing, or entertaining guests. Located just 5 kilometers from the center of Sia, the property is close to shops, schools, and services. And for nature and adventure lovers, Torre da Serra da Estrela is only 30 kilometers away. Sabugueiro, Portugal's highest village, is 16 kilometers, and the famous Bread Museum is just 6 kilometers from the house. This property offers authentic Portuguese village charm with strong rental potential. Its strategic location, accessibility, and fully renovated condition make it perfect for anyone looking to live or invest in the beautiful Serra da Estrela region. And at 83,000 euros, it's a rare opportunity to own a versatile, move-in ready home in one of central Portugal's most picturesque rural areas. Next, we head to Vale de Gavinas, a picturesque parish in the municipality of Mirandela in northeastern Portugal's Trás-os-Montes region, where we find a ready-to-live-in semi-detached house with 112 meters squared of living space spread over 2 floors, priced at just 110,000 euros. This charming home is ideal for anyone looking for a permanent residence or a smart investment in a scenic rural area. Inside, the house comprises 2 bedrooms, a kitchen lounge area, a bathroom, and storage space, all thoughtfully arranged to maximize comfort and functionality. The bedrooms feature fitted wardrobes, while the open-plan kitchen living area offers a welcoming and practical space for daily life. A balcony provides views of the surroundings, adding outdoor charm to the property. Vale de Gavinas is located on the right bank of the Tuella River, just 15 minutes from the center of Mirandela, where you'll find a traditional market, riverside green spaces, sports facilities including football and tennis, and a children's playground. Excellent access to the A4 motorway makes regional travel convenient, whether heading to nearby towns, cities, or the northern Portugal coast. With its strategic location, spacious layout, and move-in ready condition, this semi-detached house offers the perfect combination of rural tranquility and accessibility, and at 110,000 euros, it represents a great opportunity to own a versatile home in one of Trás-os-Montes' most charming and well-connected villages. And for our last property today, we head to Torrem, a charming village in the northernmost corner of Portugal, in the municipality of Montalegre, nestled on the left bank of the Salus River and bordering Spain. This area is part of the Peneda Gerês National Park, offering breathtaking natural landscapes, hiking trails, and a peaceful rural lifestyle. This 80 meters squared detached house spread over 2 floors is perfect for a permanent home, holiday retreat, or investment opportunity at just 75,000 euros. Inside, the house features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, and 2 living areas. The upper floor offers a fully equipped kitchen with a stove, refrigerator, microwave, double sink, and traditional fireplace, alongside a living room with wooden ceilings and ceramic floors, creating a cozy, welcoming space. The ground floor includes an independent entrance, a large living room with a fireplace and stone walls, a bathroom, and a support area with countertop space and storage furniture. A staircase with a wooden handrail connects the 2 floors, while an exterior storage room adds extra practicality. Torrem itself is rich in history and culture. The village hosts an eco-museum detailing smuggling routes, cross-border history, and local traditions. Outdoor enthusiasts will enjoy the PR6 Turem Trail, waterfalls, rivers, and cycling or hiking opportunities in the surrounding hills. Local amenities, cafes, and cultural sites are all within walking distance, while Montalegre, about 30 minutes away, offers further services, shopping, and healthcare access.